I'll just leave it on rainbow for now. I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you guys have seen like the PC Kohaku card. Why do you hate flip spacebar? Whoa, that's a question I haven't been asked in a long time. I felt like Obi-Wan Kenobi right there. I don't hate flip spacebar. It's just not for me. Pretty. You don't like caps lock for command? I have my keybinds very different. I have command over here, and then I have option over here. And then on the function layer, I have this also to set to control, I think it's considered. And then I have this set to something else. I can't remember what I set this to, but I don't use it as much. But I mean, that's the beauty about keyboards, is we can kind of remap things to how we see fit. You know what's really growing on me though? The split backspace. So what I did with these guys is a very light coat of 205G0. These are 62 gram slow springs. The slow doesn't really do anything in my opinion. Springs just felt good. So I just like, all right, let me use them. I oiled the springs. So just some GPL 105. I have so much of that stuff that I rarely use, to be honest. If you guys are wondering why I'm doing it on the plate, it's because I don't want the residue on the polycarbonate. If I have multiple plates, should I put the gasket? If you have multiple plates, put it on the keyboard. Like if you have the Kohaku as well, put it on the board itself. I'm trying to avoid this ugly looking residue on that. I don't want this to show on the polycarbonate. Like you'll see that through the polycarb. So I'm going to do on the plate. This is a purely aesthetic choice right now, not a functional choice. Love how Monaco K has a different colored gasket for their PC. Yeah, it's definitely cool. Oh, that's pretty much it, I guess. And then if we hate the spacebar, I'll take out the spacebar and replace it with a non-filmed one. Almost done? Hell yeah, I'm excited. Will it blend? What keycaps am I using actually? Real question right now. Minimal with accent? Hold on. Well, I mean, I'll just leave it on rainbow for now. Do we just leave it on rainbow swirl for now? Yeah, I'll just leave it on rainbow swirl. It's cool though. I like how the fish glows. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love that my iron PCB has RGB, but you can't see it anywhere. That was a very common trend. Actually, was there a polycarbonate iron? I don't remember if there was. Oh, there was a PC iron. It didn't have threads. That's right. That's right. Step caps over normal. I always pick step caps. I don't know if it's just like I think it's just like my thing. I just do that now. All right. Kohaku is done. PC Kohaku with, ooh, Future Funk does look good on this. Good choice, VDub. It does look pretty nice. I need to clean my desk tomorrow. It is a disaster. Very, very nice. Done Haku. Kind of done Haku right now. We're done with the Kohaku. Should we give it a little spin? Actually, here, if you want to take a look at the board itself, guys. Side profile. Please stay. Stop. Love the texture of polycarbonate. Dust everywhere. The glass, the tempered glass over here. Much nicer than the original Kohaku with the acrylic window. And you can see too where we applied the gaskets, there's no adhesive mark. So you don't have to worry about having that weird like film, that white film that kind of like is above the black gasket, which is nice. Pretty nice though, pretty nice. I guess it'd be considered the V2 one. All right, let's give this a little typing test here. So this is the PC Kohaku with Nixies. Ooh, that spacebar is juicy. That's pretty nice. That is a very, very like... No, my Kohaku has cherry blossoms in it. I need to lube the enter a little bit more. I was running out of lube. Damn, that spacebar is like... It's stealing the show. Like, it's completely stealing the show. The alphas sound great. Yeah, Chudo, exactly. You stole the words right out of my mouth. Damn. I need a little bit more lube on the spacebar too. Backspace is good though. I did the backspace fine. I just ran out of GS3. So actually there's a little bit more, but I just need to squeeze it all out later. Can you do light to off again? Yeah. My camera is probably not well equipped for this right now because like, here, you know what I'll do for you guys? Hold on one sec. It's a little bit better of a representation, I suppose. It's the slowest I can get the shutter though. Yeah, that's it. It's a max for... We are shaking? Yeah, there's a max I can do for video. Glad this ain't paywalled content. There's paywalled content on Twitch? Good setup. Thank you, dude. Appreciate you. All right. I'm happy we did this tonight. Alex has given Dobie a sound test. Now Dobie can go to bed. It's true. Now I can sleep. I can sleep happy knowing I finished this. I can sleep very happy, Chudo. Have a good night, everybody. Peace out and bye-bye. Ooh, that spacebar is juicy.